Hi everyone. Yesterday we talked about project management office, and I also mentioned that some thought leaders they think that PMO office should named as RMO office. That means result management office. That means PMO office only not only focus on the standards, procedures, guidelines, and methodologies. They also focus on the delivery part of the project. So today we will see two sides of the coin. One is the definition of project management office, and another is how we will establish or implement project management office in our organizations. So one side of the coin, project management office can be three types. So first type is supportive type. That means you will provide templates, you will provide suggestions, you will provide training, mentoring, you will share lesson learned from your previous projects. So these are the things a supportive PMO will do in the organization. Then the second type of PMO office is directive type PMO office, where you will develop frameworks, methodologies, and try to adopt that methodology in your organization. We know there is a saying: if you cannot measure, that you cannot control. So in controlling type of organizations, you have to develop methodologies, frameworks, KPIs for your organization, adopt that governance framework, guideline methodology in your project management. And then you will specify templates, forms, tools, techniques to managing your projects. So everyone can follow that tools, technique, and forms, templates. All right. And then conformance to governance. You have to develop a governance, and everyone need to conformance to that governance. So as a controlling PMO, your responsibility is to ensure that everyone is in the same pace when they're managing project. Then third type of PMO, that is the most strong. The third type of PMO, which is actually the strong PMO, that is actually directive type PMO. When PMO herself manage projects end to end, and they provide project managers from PMO office, and all project managers report to PMO office. So this is the directive kind of project management office. All right. So yesterday I talked about PMO office the responsibility of PMO office can range from directly managing project end to end, from supporting the project by mentoring, by training, by providing different kind of support, different kind of project management support, and finally executing the strategy of the organization. All right. So if you see this picture, this picture is taken from implementing this template. This figure is taken from implementing organizational project management, a practice guide from PMI. When a PMO, an established PMO in an organization, actually start working from the strategy, then they set portfolio, the value decisions. Then to achieve that value decisions, they set the programs and projects in the organizations, and they actually create the business value by delivering the programs and projects. And then the operation team actually use that value delivery to realize the benefit of the project. So this is the true picture of PMO office. If a PMO office is established in an organization, a PMO office is fully established in an organization, then they will actually work from a strategy to value delivery. This picture actually best resembles PMO office perspectives. Here we are seeing that PMO office can create bridge between the strategy, organizational strategy, and the value delivery. Now let's flip the coin. So the challenge is, how do you implement PMO office in your organizations? All right. So it is a very big change management. All right. And project is the means through which we implement change. But when we are talking about implementing project management office in an organization, that is a big change, that is a big challenge. So what shall we do? How shall we implement PMO office in the organization? So the best way, actually, we have to start PMO office in like a supportive type of PMO office. So you will give different kind of support to your existing project managers, those who are managing projects, give training, give the taxonomy of project management, establish the taxonomy of the project management in the organization, then give templates, share your experience. So this way you will start PMO in a supportive manner. Okay. Then you go to controlling manner. You develop governance, you develop project management methodology, tools, techniques, specific forms, and give that forms to your project managers, the project management team, to the project management team, so that they can follow the governance, project management governance methodology. And you should, and as a controlling PMO, you have to confirm through project audit that everyone is following the same templates, the same tools, techniques, and the governance of the project management. So in the second phase, the PMO can work as a controlling PMO. And lastly, when everyone is accepting the changes of project management office, the forms, the templates, when people are seeing the benefits of project management office, then you can final stage, you can establish directive kind of PMO. So when you are directive kind of PMO, then you actually working from strategic objective of your organization to delivering the value delivery for the organization. So when you are at the stage of directive, type of PMO, so now you can actually start working from strategic objectives of the organizations to the value delivery for the organizations through project management. So the head of project management office can be named as CPO, Chief Project Officer, or head of project management office, and this role should be a C-level role because he is actually implementing the strategic objectives through project management in the organization and ensuring the business value for the organizations. I hope this small discussion helped you to understand what kind of PMOs we have, what are the available PMO types, and how do we slowly implement PMO in our organizations, because this is a big chance and you have to move slow to get the benefit. So thank you joining me in this knowledge sharing session. So see you in the next session. Thank you.